Hello friends, today we will discuss about union and union all operations in MySQL. Union and union all both are going to join the results of two select queries, or we can say two tables. But the basic difference between union and union all is union is going to remove the repetitions from the resultant table, and union all is going to display all the results including repetitions in the final table. Fine. So without taking much time, let us see the demonstration of that. Suppose I am having three tables. Here is table 1 that contains name and city. We are having another table, say table 2, that also contains name and city. Now the very important thing that we need to take in consideration is whenever we are going to perform union operation, then in that case there should be same number of columns in both the select queries. Fine. If it is different, then it is going to generate the error. फाइन, जब भी हम यूनियन और यूनियन ऑल ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करते हैं तब दोनों सिलेक्ट क्वेरी में सेम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स होने चाहिए. अगर वो नहीं होंगे तो वो एरर जनरेट करेगा. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस सी द रिजल्ट ऑफ let us see the execution of union. Fine. So I'm going to perform select star from table 1. Then I'm going to perform union, and then I'm going to perform select star from table 2. Fine. So what this one is going to do, this one is going to generate the combination of both the tables, that is table 1 and table 2. Fine. Let us see the result. So here we can see we got the result where we are having the details of both the tables. Find the data of both the tables. Now let me arrange it in ascending order so we can get we can understand it in a better way. So order by and then name. Fine. Okay, so here you can see I'm having James, the city is Florida. I'm having James, the city is Washington. I'm having Mark, city is Ontario. Matthew, Melbourne. Mehul, Pennsylvania. Peter, London. Sri, Delhi, and Suhas, Mumbai. Now let us use union all. Fine. So here we will find the repetitions in case of union all. union all में जो repeated columns होंगे, जो repeated data होगा, वो भी display होगा. Fine. Let us see the result of this. Okay, so here you can easily identify that Peter and London both are going to be repeated. Then Shrey and Delhi. Fine. So this two rows are going to be repeated whenever we are going to use union all. Now assume that we want to join two tables, or we want to perform union operation of two tables where the number of columns are not same. दो टेबल हमें ज्वाइन करने हैं पर दोनों टेबल के कॉलम सेम नहीं है. जैसे कि I'm having one table that is called table 1 that contains name and city, and I'm having table number 3, that table number 3 contains name, city and number. Fine. So we'll not be able to join directly. So what we can do is we can add one more column in table 1. Fine. One temporary column in table 1. So the query will be like this: select name, comma, city, comma, in place of that number values I'm going to put zeros. Fine. Say as number. Fine. From, and then I have to write table number 1, then union, and select star from table 3. Fine. So now let us see what result we are going to get. Fine. So here we got the result. In place of number In the result of table 1 we got the value 0, and in place of number we got the actual values in case of table 3. So टेबल 3 का जो डेटा था वो एज इट इज है. टेबल 1 में जहां पे नंबर अवेलेबल नहीं है वहां पे हमने 0 रिप्लेस कर दिया. So this way we can perform union operation, or we can also perform union all operation. Fine. We can also perform union all operation where we have different number of columns. So this was all about union and union all. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you once again.